Unlocking CSS power in inline CSS styling mastery. Hey CSS enthusiasts, it's Krishna Sharma from Kredict and today is day 7 of our CSS exploration. If you are excited to build the power of CSS right within your HTML, hit subscribe. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of inline CSS. So let's move. First, we will recap from day 6. Before we jump into inline CSS, let's quickly recap what we have covered in the last video, where we explored advanced technique and application of CSS box model. If you missed it, check it out for some valuable insights. So first, introduction to inline CSS. Inline CSS is a game changer when it comes to applying styling directly within your HTML elements without linking any file. It's like having a stylist on call for each specific element. Let's get started by understanding the basics. So syntax for inline CSS. The syntax is simple and effective. We use the style attribute within HTML tag to define our CSS property and values. Let's take a look at quick example. First we will make a HTML file. In the HTML file we will use exclamation mark and boilerplate. So here we will write inline CSS. So we have to just make a paragraph tag. In the paragraph tag we will write lorem 10 words. So if you want to add style in your paragraph, you have to just write style attribute, and in the style attribute you have to give a property and the value. If I want to change the color of paragraph text, I will write color and color value will red. So red color text will print on your paragraph. So you can see here the text is red, and if I change the color, you can see if I change to blue, the color is blue. If I want to add some more value, if I add some font weight here, font size, if I want to increase the size like 20 pixel or 200 pixel, so the size is very increased now. You can see the size is increased. So I hope you are getting this. This is very easy. Here we are setting the text color to a shade blue and the font size of to the 16 pixel directly within the paragraph tag. You can just change the pixel any like 16 I will give you. So here the pixel is 16. I hope you are getting. So first is for inline CSS, immediate and specific styling for individual element, and second one is no need for external style sheets or additional files. This is very simple and effective. So second is cons for inline CSS, limited reusability, styles are specific to individual element, maintenance can be challenging if we apply to numerous element. This is valid point. Practical use of inline CSS. Let's see in inline CSS in action when we use to practical example. So here we have h1 heading. So we want to add h1 before this paragraph. So here we have this. So you can see here we are give style tag. In this we give color this and text align center. So text align in the center you are seeing. So this is our practical example. In this example we using inline CSS to center align a color and a heading directly within a h1 tag. I hope you are getting. So now when to use inline CSS. Inline CSS is most useful when you need quick specific styling for individual element. It's handy for one-off styling requirement or when prototyping. So if you are finding inline CSS to be quick and effective styling tool, hit like and let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more daily CSS insight. Tomorrow we will explore another exciting aspect of CSS, so stay tuned. Thanks for joining me on day 7. I am Krishna Sharma from Kredict signing off. Keep coding, keep designing, and I will see you in the next video.